Okay, we have put together this bristle bot. Let's go and have a look. Right, basically what we have here, two toothbrushes mirror taped onto an old mobile cell phone battery. We have an LED in there. Okay, we have an on-off switch, and it's also wired to a solar panel, so when it's switched off, the battery is being charged by the solar panel. Okay, we switch that on. On the back of the toothbrushes there are two motors from the inside of a cell phone. Okay, they have a cam on here which causes vibration when it spins around, and the vibration causes the bristles to move the bristle bot along. Okay, so let's have another look.